This is Launch, your monthly guide to what's blasting off into space and why it matters right here on Earth. On January 11th, SpaceX is opening the launch window for its Falcon 9 from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. This is the Twilight rideshare mission. Picture it as an affordable carpooling for satellites, cutting costs and opening doors for more innovators to get their tech into orbit. Standouts include NASA's Pandora, a 325-kilogram satellite that'll probe the atmosphere of exoplanets around dwarf stars. It analyzes light during planetary transits to spot clouds, hazes, or even water vapor, all while filtering out the star's own interference. Then there's Sparks, a tiny telescope capturing high-energy photons from M and K-type stars to model how stellar flares mess with planetary atmospheres. And don't forget ICEYE and Umbra's radar satellites for all-weather Earth imaging, super useful for disaster response and keeping tabs on the environment. Bottom line, this mission expands our understanding of habitable worlds while boosting tools for climate monitoring, crisis spotting, and global connectivity here on Earth. Win-win for science and sustainability. Next, January 17th marks the second test flight for Germany's ISAR Aerospace with their Spectrum rocket, a nimble two-stage designed for cheap, small satellite deployments up to 1,000 kilograms. Launching from Norway's Andøya spaceport just 9 months after their first data-rich but short-lived attempt. It's another rideshare carrying up to 150 kilograms of CubeSats under ESA's Boost program, subsidizing demos for new comms, Earth monitoring, and science experiments, though details are still under wraps. Aiming for a sun-synchronous orbit with constant sunlight for max power and imaging, this pushes Europe's independent, eco-friendly space access, all boosting Earth's resilience and growth. Finally, India's ISRO is hitting a massive milestone with Gaganyaan-1, targeted for no earlier than January on their powerful LVM-3 heavy-lift rocket from Sriharitoga. This uncrewed trial is like a dress rehearsal for human spaceflight. It'll send a crewed capsule into low Earth orbit with Mitra, a humanoid robot simulating astronaut tasks to test life support, environmental controls, and emergency escapes. Proving end-to-end ops from launch to ocean splashdown, this paves the way for India's first astronauts by 2027, inspiring a new generation to chase the stars and that mind-blowing overview effect. And that's your January lineup, missions that power progress from space to Earth. Tell us in the comments if we missed any and stay tuned for next month. Here's to going to space for Earth in 2026.